new 2020 Ford F-150 Limited Truck SuperCrew Cab. The color is Star White Metallic Tricoat. Some features include twin panel moonroof, power sliding rear window with a defroster, and active park assist. To help you feel safe and secure, it's equipped with SOS post-crash alert system and a tire pressure monitor system. Inside of the new 2020 Ford F-150 Limited Truck SuperCrew Cab, the color is Camelback. Some features include navigation, heated seats, 360-degree camera, and FordPass Connect 4G Wi-Fi, as well as a lane keeping system. Please come on down to Malloy Ford here in Alexandria, Virginia, and make it Malloy. Thank you.